Okay, now that we have created our function, so let's put some values into our templates. So I'm gonna call all the objects from our models. I'm gonna say listings is equal to listings dot objects, and I'm gonna order it by the list date it was listed. So ordered by list date, it should be in the semicolon, but right here the minus symbol means whichever was the last uploaded list, it will come on the top. If there is no minus symbol, which was the first list uploaded, it will come on the top. And I'm going to say filter it by, we only want those lists which are published. So I say is published equal to true. Basically this will filter out all those lists which are not published and return back the lists which are published. And we are gonna, per page I'm gonna enter around 9 lists. So I'm just gonna say paginator is equal to paginator, and listings dot comma 6, okay, comma 9. So per page 9 listings. So I'm gonna get the page number by saying page is equal to request dot get capital get dot and the page. So this will get us the page number, and I'm going to give page listings equal to paginator dot get page, and we are going to say page. Basically what this is going to get the page number, which page it is. And what this does is, for this page, basically in the first page it will be for first 9 lists, second page, okay, sorry for that, second page it will give next 9 pages, third page it will give next 9 pages. So basically first 9, then 10 to 18, then 19 to 27 in the third page. That's what this does, and this will order it for us. If you say on the first page, it will give us the listings for the it will give us for 1 to 9 listings, and if this is 2, it will give 10 to 18 listings, so etc. Now I'm gonna pass the template. I'm going to create a context saying listings, and I'm going to give value page listings, and I'm going to pass it to our template. So context. So I think this should work. So let's go to our listings, and I'm going to just copy our resource file. I'm going to copy. We don't want everything, the navbar and all set. We just want our from yes, I'll say from here, from a section at the end, yeah, settle here. So copy, and I'll paste it in our listings. First we will extend our base, so extends base dot HTML, and this is our feature listings. So block titles, block title. I'm gonna give this the name listings itself, so listings, and I'll end the block and the block and our contents. So tab it and paste it over here. Now I'll just edit it. So available listings, just a random test, so I'll say these are the current published listings, and I'm going to give the URL for home, so percentage, that's basically the index, so URL index, browse listings, fine, and this is basically our listings. So we don't want comment, we just going to take the first listing and everything else will be deleted. So listing up till 6th one, I guess. Alright, here we are gonna create a for loop. So first we check for listing if there are any listings, so we'll say if listings, then show us this, else I'm going to say currently there are no listings. Which one does this versus section? Basically is the paginator, so this is under div row. I think we'll close it before that. So basically gets the second last one. No, the last one. So here. So I'm going to give an else condition. There are no listing and if. Right, and under else I'm going to give a div. I'm going to give it a class of call empty12, and I'm gonna say currently there are no listings available. Alright, now let's create our for loop. So I'm going to say for listing in listings, that's what we give here, right? Listings. For listing in listings, I'm going to enter it here, so and for always remember to enter error will occur. So this is going to be a main photo, so listing dot photo main dot URL. Right, this is our price, this is in rupees, so I just copy the rupees symbol, percentage. Copy it, paste it. Let's say listing dot price. This is our title, so listing dot title, and we have the address present here. So listing dot get city, listing dot state, and I'll say the zip code. Listing dot zip code. We don't want any of this. Instead, we'll show a category here. We don't want garage. It's gonna be category and say listing dot category, and here we'll display our owner info. So I'll say that now that's listing dot owner dot first. This phone number, so phone listing dot owner dot phone, and another one. Okay, this we need. So listing dot state. We'll delete this. This is useless for us. We'll add one more class over here. Let's copy for our image. So I think that should work. This will go to our listing page. So I'll pass in that too. Percent URL listing, and we should pass our ID also. So listing ID, since this is taking the ID. If you go check it check the news.py, you see it's taking in the ID too, hence you have to pass the ID also. So I guess I'll save it and check it out. Server's running, yeah, and let's check this out. See, PS4 house for rent. The image was not displayed. Let's check adults.py. This photo me here. Let's check. Just inspect it. It seems this URL is not being recognized, not found. Oh, okay, I think I got it. And that's because you are supposed in yours.py you are supposed to add those static URLs here. So you just say add static, say settings, from settings import media URL and document underscore root is equal to settings. You want to say settings media dot root underscore root. Save it, and I think that should work. Static is not defined. Oh, that's because we forgot to import statics. So just import static. So from django.conf urls static import static. I think it should work. Errors. Settings is not defined. we are supposed to import settings too. My bad. From Django.conf import settings. No. Now it should work. See? There it is. Our PS4, and this will align it properly. More info. We are not anything, so it works. And I think that's about right. Now let's fix our listings. My thing is envelope. So let's check envelope. Reload. Yep, it works. And I think there's one there. Here. So /div. Okay, that's not true. For this it is that, so it's fine. For this it's that's fine. For this that is fine. And for this okay. Listen, problem what I'll do. I'll just check it. I'll just try deleting this. Okay, now this came properly, and there's some problem with that divs, that's why. Let's try that out. Well, category name image because cars are image now. Yep. Now that works. So I think a little space is needed. Maybe date and let's check it out. Not much. I think we need an HR. Let's customize it a little more. Right, so we have category, owner, phone, email, and the date. Now, since we want our date to be like uploaded 2 days ago or uploaded 3 days ago, and the number to be 20,000, 000, like that. So we are gonna install something called Humaneyes. Now, Humaneyes is a feature that you can install separately with Django. And if you search in Google and see Humaneyes Django, and you can see you can import Humaneyes using django.com.humaneyes in our installed apps. And if you use it, this becomes 1, this becomes 2, and 4500 becomes 4.50, or if using in comma and in word 10 million becomes 1 million. So basically if you use natural date 16 Feb 2007 becomes yesterday or today, depending upon the date, something like that. So that's what we are going to do. and for that we are going to import it in our visual code. Go to settings.py, we are going to import Humaneyes, go to install apps, and we'll import it here. Let's say django.contrib.Humaneyes, and we'll go to our listings, and we're going to load it. So we load it before a block. So I'll say percent load Humaneyes and end it in the block. And for our price, we're going to say int chroma space, and here I'll say time since, that basically the time since it has been uploaded. Check it out. See, 20,000 9 hours 15 minutes ago it was uploaded. So tomorrow if I check, it will say 1 day 5 hours ago, something like that. So that's done. Now I think we'll paginate this. Right now it has nothing to go on to, so we'll do that. We're gonna use this for our pagination. Before that, I'll also this unwanted files is open. Close my files. We don't want settings, we don't want URLs, models, that means we'll close everything up. Now let's go to our views.py. This is down. So let's go to our listings.html, our template. Where is it? Yeah. Now let's paginate this. What we're gonna do is we are gonna check if there are any pages first of all. So we're gonna give an if condition, and we'll check if listings has other pages. If it has, I'll just send it here. So on the UL and if then the page native will display. And now we'll check if basically if you are in page number 2, if there is any previous page, display that. So we're going to say if listings has previous, and right now it's disabled because we don't have a previous, so we'll give that as else. So percent else, and we'll end if here. So end if, and if it has a previous page, we're gonna say just take the page item, copy, paste, and we are going to give the URL as we are going to change the URL. So we're going to give the URL as question mark page is equal to listings dot previous dot underscore page number, and to an LQ, basically left Q. Let's disable it. Okay, that's done. Now let's give our page numbers. So for I in listings dot paginator dot page range, basically number of pages listings has. We're gonna give another if condition, so let's say if listings dot number is equal to I, then it is active. So tab and if, and else give the links, so tab. And here we are going to display our pages. So page item, we are going to class, we are going to do this as I. This is also I. Inside main. This is our link. So since it's an active class, we don't need an href. And this are links, so I'm going to give question mark page is equal to page number, right? Now same for basically if there is a next option, we are going to do the same thing, so I'll just copy this, so copy, and we don't want that, okay, we don't want this, so I'll paste. Forgot the person check. No, instead of list has previous, we will have next, and we don't want this. Instead of left queue, we are gonna have R queue, and so this should be next page number, and this is disabled. This should be RQ or AQ. Now that's done, and we'll just check for basically one listings per page because we don't have any listings that one listing. So it seems we forgot some indef. If yes, indef, no, 7.4. Yeah. See, 2 pages. So second page, it works. That should have worked. It works. We'll just take it out, and there seems to be extra comma. We don't want that. Okay, spelling mistake. Previous. Now it should work. Reload it. Yep, it works. Previous page, next page. So we have our paginator working. So I'll just bring it back to 9, and I don't think there will be a page 2 reloads, so we won't see any paginator because we don't have any listings yet. We don't have that many listings. If you want, you can reduce this size. As you can see, this is bootstrap made, so that's no problem. Okay, so I think I'll end my video here. So in my next video we'll be configuring our listing.html and search.html. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching.